swapping sides of your body, changing sides when you're vacuuming or sweeping. Swapping sides of your body when vacuuming or sweeping has a number of benefits. It improves strength, flexibility and confidence in the lesser used parts of your body. It can also make you more aware of how one-side focused you really are. For some of us, it can feel quite awkward to start and take weeks or months to really get the hang of it. In theory, using your body more evenly and keeping any dormant parts active really should help your body last longer and reduce your risk of pain and problems later in your life.